In this tutorial, we will see how we can calculate NDVI image from Sentinel-2 imagery using Google Earth Engine Python API in ArcGIS Pro and export that as GeoTIFF. Let's dive into it. Before we start, make sure your ArcGIS Pro Python environment is configured, the geemap Python package is installed, and your Google Earth Engine account is connected. If you haven't done this yet, don't worry, I have shared a setup video link in the comment section so you can follow along. We will be using a ready-to-use script from GitHub repository for working with Google Earth Engine in ArcGIS Pro. I have shared the link so that you can download it easily and follow along. Let's download this notebook. We have downloaded the notebook and it is downloaded to our downloads folder. Let's go to catalog and the download folder. We can see the Python notebook is downloaded. Let's double click it to open. Now let's go through the script step by step. We start by importing essential libraries: EE for Earth Engine, geemap for interactive mapping, and OS for file system handling. The initialize code connects Python to Google Earth Engine API so we can access satellite dataset. Let's run this cell. Here we create a geemap interactive map where we can draw the region of interest. Let's run this. The interactive map is opened. Now we will zoom to our region of interest and let's draw a rectangle. Next, we grab the last drawn shape from the map and use it as our region of interest. This loads Sentinel-2 surface reflectance images, clips them to the ROI, filters the year 2024, and keeps only images with less than 10% cloud. We combine all filtered images into a single medium composite and clip it to the ROI. These visualization parameters create a natural color RGB image using red, green, and blue bands. We display the True Color Sentinel-2 composite and center the map on the ROI. Let's run the cell. The Sentinel-2 True Color image is loaded. It is also loaded in our map. If we turn off the base map, we can see the loaded image. Now let's go to code. Here NDVI is calculated using band 8, that is near infrared, and band 4, that is red. The default function for calculation of any normalized difference is image.normalized difference, and we rename the band as NDVI. Then a color palette is defined to visualize NDVI from low vegetation to high vegetation. We add the NDVI layer to the map so you can visually explore vegetation health, and finally display the map. Let's run the code. The NDVI image is calculated and loaded to our map. It is also loaded in the ArcGIS Pro map section. And this code exports the NDVI image as a GeoTIFF at 10-meter resolution to your downloads folder. Let's run the code and it is generating the URL, and from that URL the file is being downloaded. If your file size is more than 50 megabytes, you cannot download it as one tile, then you need to make multiple tiles to download. The GeoTIFF is downloaded. Finally, the exported NDVI GeoTIFF is automatically added to your ArcGIS Pro map using this code. Let's run this and go to the map. Let's remove the previous layers that is coming from Google Earth Engine server. And this one is our NDVI image. Let's zoom to layer. Our NDVI image is in the correct position. Now we can use the symbology to see the NDVI image better. Let's right click and go to symbology. Here you can select any symbology, but we have previously made one custom symbology. Let's use this. Now if we turn off the base map, we can see the NDVI image using our color palette. Thanks for watching.